Welcome back to Manna Home Design, where small apartments meet smart, beautiful design. This studio apartment looks bold, cozy, and spacious, but it's actually long, narrow, and under serious space constraints. So how do you turn a layout like this into a home that truly works? In this video, we're taking you inside a brilliant studio apartment makeover that proves small space design doesn't have to feel limited. Using eclectic interior style, smart zoning, and render-friendly solutions, this single studio apartment is reimagined into clearly defined living, working, and sleeping zones, without sacrificing light, comfort, or personality. Let's walk through the space and break down exactly how this transformation works. Before we start, hit subscribe for more brilliant studio apartment makeovers and small space design ideas. Living room seating zone. The living room anchors this eclectic studio apartment with a blue velvet sofa that immediately sets the jewel tone color palette. In a small space, seating becomes the emotional center, combining comfort, texture, and visual weight. Layered cushions, a richly patterned rug, and warm wood media units work together to soften the long, narrow proportions. This living area feels cozy, not cramped, thanks to smart furniture scale and intentional negative space. By leaning into bold color instead of avoiding it, this small apartment living room feels expressive and confident. It's proof that cozy studio design is about balance between softness, structure, and personality. Media wall and gallery wall. This gallery wall is the visual heart of the studio, combining personal artwork with curated pieces in an eclectic, story-driven composition. In small apartments, vertical space becomes a powerful design tool. Below the art, long low media consoles provide essential closed storage while visually stretching the room. The projector setup replaces a traditional TV, offering a flexible, space-saving media solution. The result is a wall that feels intentional, layered, and personal, where storage, technology, and art coexist. This approach transforms functional necessities into a cohesive design statement. Industrial window partition. The industrial-style window partition is the most transformative feature in this studio apartment. It separates the bedroom from the living area without blocking natural light, crucial in a long, narrow layout. Designed to be render-friendly and removable, this divider offers privacy, structure, and architectural interest. The green finish ties seamlessly into the overall jewel-tone color story. This solution shows how zoning can dramatically improve daily life in a small studio, creating mental separation between rest, work, and relaxation without permanent construction. Bedroom behind the divider. Behind the partition, the bedroom feels calm, intimate, and intentionally simple. A low-profile bed with an orange upholstered headboard adds warmth without overwhelming the space. Instead of bulky nightstands, a floating shelf behind the headboard acts as a space-saving bedside solution. Neutral bedding balances the bold green wall and textured limewash accent. This sleeping area proves that small studio bedrooms can feel restful and complete when layout, color, and lighting are thoughtfully aligned. Storage wall IKEA wardrobe hack. Storage is often the biggest challenge in a studio apartment, and this custom IKEA wardrobe hack solves it beautifully. Closed storage keeps the space visually calm and clutter-free. Wallpapered panels, decorative hardware, and elevated legs transform standard wardrobes into custom-looking furniture. A connecting hanging rod increases usable storage without adding bulk. This approach maximizes function while enhancing style, showing how smart storage design is essential for livable, small apartment interiors. Work from home office nook. This compact home office nook fits seamlessly into the studio layout, offering a dedicated work zone without sacrificing flow or aesthetics. A minimalist desk, ergonomic chair, and layered lighting create a productive environment, while jewel tones and warm textures maintain cohesion with the rest of the apartment. By carving out a clear workspace, this studio supports work-from-home life, proving that even small apartments can balance productivity and comfort. Kitchen island and multipurpose furniture. In this small studio kitchen, multipurpose furniture is essential. A rolling, extendable island provides prep space, dining, and storage, all in one compact piece. Stools tuck neatly underneath, while wheels allow flexibility for entertaining or daily use. Warm wood finishes keep the kitchen visually connected to the living area. This setup demonstrates how flexible furniture solutions can dramatically improve functionality in narrow studio apartments. Lighting and texture details. Layered lighting transforms this studio apartment from day to night. Table lamps, floor lamps, and hanging lights replace harsh overhead lighting. Textured surfaces, like the mustard lime wash wall, catch soft shadows and add depth without clutter. Lighting becomes both functional and decorative. Together, lighting and texture create mood, warmth, and dimension, key ingredients for making a small space feel rich and intentional. Final evening reveal. As evening falls, the studio reveals its full character. Jewel tones deepen, ambient lighting glows, and the space feels warm and lived in. From the blue velvet sofa to the green partition and layered gallery wall, every element works together to tell a cohesive design story. This final reveal proves that thoughtful design can completely transform a small studio apartment, turning limitations into a space that feels personal, functional, and truly like home. If this studio apartment makeover inspired you, give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more smart layouts, render-friendly ideas, and eclectic small space design. And let me know in the comments, which part of this studio worked best for you?